Students, we are discussing Introduction to Trigonometry chapter. In this chapter, we are solving some of the sums on trigonometric identities. Let us solve this problem. 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square. Here we have to prove 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square. Let us write the LHS. 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Now let us multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So if you multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta, you will get which is equal to 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. This is in the form a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. The denominator becomes 1 square minus cos square theta. It is 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. The numerator is 1 plus cos theta whole square as it is. Here 1 plus cos theta whole square is there, sin square theta is there. So let us write 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta whole square. So this square is applicable for both numerator and denominator. Here 2 is there, here also 2 is there. Therefore, we can write 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta whole square. Now let us split the numerator as 1 by cos theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta. So here 1 plus cos theta is nothing but cosecant theta. Here 1 plus cos theta is nothing but cosecant theta. And cos theta by sin theta is cot theta, which is cot theta. Therefore 1 by sin theta can be written as cosecant theta, cos theta by sin theta can be written as cot theta whole square. So this is the RHS what we have to get. So we can write 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square. Let us move to the next problem. Cot square 90 minus theta divided by tan square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta divided by secant square theta minus cosecant square theta is equal to 1 divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now let us write the LHS as it is, which is cot square of 90 minus theta divided by tan square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta divided by secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. Already we know that cot of 90 minus theta is nothing but tan theta. So it becomes tan square theta. Cot of 90 minus theta, according to our complementary angles, cot of the angle 90 minus theta is nothing but tan theta. You can write tan square theta and denominator as it is. And cosecant square theta divided by secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. Now let us write tan theta as sin theta by cos theta. Here square is there, it becomes sin square theta divided by cos square theta divided by this tan square theta can be written as sin square theta divided by cos square theta. So this tan theta must be written as sin square theta divided by cos square theta minus 1. And cosecant square theta can be written as 1 by sin square theta. So this cosecant square theta can be written as 1 by sin square theta divided by secant can be written as 1 by cos theta whole square minus cosecant theta is 1 by sin square theta. Now let us take the LCM. The numerator is as it is. The LCM of the denominators, cos square theta and 1 is cos square theta. Cos square theta, so this cos square theta, 1 is the cos square theta. So 1 into sin square theta is sin square theta minus as it is. Then 1 cos square theta, cos square theta. So cos square theta into 1 cos square theta plus again the LCM of the numerator is as it is. You can write the numerator as it is. Then cos square theta and sin square theta LCM is sin square theta cos square theta. Cos square theta cancel, sin square theta into 1 sin square theta. So cos square theta get cancelled. Remaining is sin square theta. Sin square theta into 1 is sin square theta minus sin square theta get cancelled, cos square theta. So cos square theta into 1 is cos square theta. Now we can write here. Now we can cancel this cos square theta and cos square theta and sin square theta and sin square theta. Then what we will get? Sin square theta, this is sin square theta divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta. Sin square theta minus cos square theta. Similarly, here sin square theta get cancelled. Cos square theta, this cos square theta goes to the numerator. It becomes plus cos square theta. Here, this is sin square theta minus cos square theta. Here sin square theta minus cos square theta and sin square minus cos square theta, which is common. So sin square theta minus cos square theta is common. Remaining term is only sin square theta. Then this cos square goes to the numerator. It becomes cos square theta. Here also sin square theta minus cos square theta is common. If you take out the LCM, you will get sin square theta minus cos square theta. Sin square theta minus cos square theta, sin square minus cos square theta LCM is sin square theta minus cos square theta. The numerator term is only sin square theta. Here sin square theta. Here the numerator term is cos square theta, which goes to the numerator. Now sin square plus cos square is equal to, we can split. So here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to, this value is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, this can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 divided by the denominator as it is. The denominator sin square theta minus cos square theta as it is. Therefore, sin square theta minus cos square theta. So this is RHS what you have to get, what you have to prove. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 and the denominator is as it is. Let us move to next problem. Cos A divided by 1 minus tan A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot A is equal to sin A plus cos A. Let us write the LHS as it is. Cos A as it is. Let us write tan A as sin by cos. Then cot A as cos by sin. So this cot A can be written as cos by sin. And tan can be written as sin by cos. Now, if you take the LCM of here the denominator, LCM of 1 and cos is cos A. So 1 cos A is a cos A, cos A into 1 is cos A. Cos A 1 is a cos A, 1 into sin A is sin A. Then the numerator is as it is. Then here the numerator is as it is. Let us take the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 1 and sin A is sin A. 1 sin A is a sin A. Sin A into 1 is sin A minus sin A 1 is a sin A. 1 into cos A, cos A. Now this cos A goes to the numerator. It becomes cos A into cos A divided by cos A minus sin A as it is. Then this sin A goes to the numerator. It becomes sin A into sin A into sin A. Now the cos A into cos A as it is. Here in this term, let us take minus as common. So if you take minus as common, what happens? So if you take minus as common, so this becomes minus sin A. This becomes minus sin A. Next, if you take out minus common, this minus becomes plus cos A. This becomes plus cos A. Close the bracket. So if you take out minus as common, what happens? This, while taking minus common, so minus of minus is minus into minus is plus. The plus is there. Minus into plus is minus cos A. So while taking minus common, so this minus and plus. So we can write first cos A. First let us write cos A. Here plus cos A is there. Let us write first cos A. Next minus sin A. So here positive integer is divided by negative integer. Here plus is there. We are taking minus as common outside. So plus divided by minus is minus. So this is minus. So we can write A of minus B, A of A minus B is equal to minus of B minus A. A minus B can be written as minus of B minus A. Similarly, you have to write like this. So we can write minus of B minus A. So this becomes like this. Now what happens? Cos into cos A into cos A is cos square A. Here cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A is LCM. Cos A minus sin A. Cos into cos is cos square A minus sin into sin is sin square A. Now we can write this is the form of A square minus B square, which is A plus B into A minus B. So here cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A divided by cos A minus sin A. So this is in the form of, this is A, this cos square is nothing but this is A, and the sin is nothing but B. This is B. Therefore A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B, and we can cancel this cos A minus sin A and cos A minus sin A. So we will get sin A plus cos A. So this is RHS. This is the RHS what we have to prove.